Getting himself out of the ketchup. Got himself in the ketchup. Don't think we want that ketchup anymore. Ketchup bumblebee. He's got a lot of cleaning to do. But he got himself out. Fell right in there, so I turned around, went and got the camera, but by the time I come back, he's got himself out. Full of ketchup. Don't go back in it. It's a little tippy. Oh God, he fell back in. Look at that. They can manage. Look at that. He did it again. Got himself out. Whew. He's afraid of... Oh, there we go. Alright, all he's got to do is turn himself back over and he'll be good. A lot of ketchup there. There he goes. La 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 la. He can do it. I know you can. I know you can. There you go. Look at that. Alright. It's about ready to take off. Catch you later now. Bye-bye. He's going fast. Getting out of here.